So welcome back to my YouTube page. My name is Anton Anderson. Today we'll be looking at an IQ option again. We'll be looking at trading and how to trade. I think this is gonna pull, so I'm gonna put a pull on this. It has a potential to pull, so we're going with a pull again. It is not good to go with pull every time, but sometimes you could change from pull as well as you could. So I'm just gonna watch. Right now we're in a little losing, but we just watch and see. I was trying to change the time because normally you could do a 1 minute trade as well as you could do a 5 minute trade, and you could do 20 minutes trade. I'm just looking for the options. Alright, so you could do different levels of trading and at different times. So basically, you could pull at any time. You could take your money out. That's the difference. That's the thing about the new with IQ option. The difference between expert option and IQ option is that IQ option gives you the option to pull, to take your money or your profit out at any time. With expert option, you have it's a bit different. You don't have the option to pull your profit out of at any given time. Um, Alright, so I got 7 minutes, so 2 minutes before it crosses the 5 minute line, and right now it's going in a limbo situation. You could look at the part. These the line here. They are like sequences, and you could that's the trade sequence. So basically, it has in every cycle, as you could see, it goes down and then it comes back up. So basically, there is a part in the cycle whereas it will plunge up, and then there is a part where it will generally go back down. It doesn't level up long, so there's a point where you will still have the opportunity to probably make something based on how the it's going. Now, one of the things you could do is change the chart. You could take the chart from 5 minutes. You could put candlestick, which is everybody like candlesticks. Where's my candlesticks? I'm trying to. Alright, so it's 5 minute trade on the line. There's a candlesticks, and that's it. Good. So candlesticks are good because it could tell you that if you understand using candlesticks, you could say, hey, it's plunging up, it will go down, or it will go where, But line is also good for some people, but candlesticks is the most used stuff. It remains constant there. So we have an uptrend. We're looking at the candlesticks here. We don't see any hammer or anything to show any potential change in the market. Um, Now we got a quick back flash. Wow, that was really quick. So basically, right there and there, I could have made a lot of profit there, but I will not might be not able to get it because it went back up as just as fast as it went down. So there's a channel there. So I'm using the binary up part of IQ option. You have the stock and you have the binary. Um, are the CFDs, and you have the FX, which is the foreign option, the exchange options, where you bid currency against currencies. Um, so we're just gonna sit this out and see what will happen. If you see you're gonna really lose, you could sell. If I sell it, I will lose $60. If I wait to the end, I will lose the everything, which is something you got to remember. IQ option is created in a new way, whereas if you see you're gonna lose, if you wait till the end of the cycle, which is where you see that flags, this flags here, if you wait until you reach that flags, then the end of the day you will generally loses everything. But if you come out before the flags, you will not lose everything, but just what the PA slash L sales will be like. So basically, you just gotta watch that and look out for it and just play the game as safe as possible. Right now, I have an expected profit. If I sit out, I will get $140 on whatever on the money I invested. If I were to leave now, I will lose that $180, and I will also lose. If I sell it now, I will just lose $85. But I will watch and see how it goes. So watching it carefully, we know $100 under the par. It could go to 100, but you never lose more than 100% of whatever you invest. That's one of the thing. If you could gain 100, but you could also lose 100, and you could get lucky at the last minute to just swoops and sneak down, as well as it could sneak up and you get knocked. Alright, so just keep your finger crossed when you play in here and say, hey, God, just keep make it goes down, make it goes down, make it goes down. Alright, we see a hammer for the down. So basically, according to the candlestick pattern, it should go down or it could remain constant. So basically, we have 1 minute to win it. So let's see what the 1 minute will bring. It's on an uptrend, and it either loses or gaining it right now. So watch and see what happens if I will win or if I will lose. Alright, so the whole money, the whole $180 is in now, and that's it. There's no selling, there's nothing. You just gotta sit and just watch. And this is where the pressure generally comes in when people are really betting, is in the last couple minutes of trade. We're wondering, is it gonna pull? Is it going to pull or is it gonna stay? So basically, it's a loss. It's a loss. So before it just goes right down, it's not gonna happen. So that's it. So basically, as you could see, yeah, I just lose that one there, that bit there, right on the line. But I just go through the whole IQ option to show you how IQ option you could win, you could lose, how you could step out of IQ option before the trade is closed, and what could really happen when the trade is closed, and all these stuff I have just gone through when using a binary feature. There's different features, but I think I've finished the binary part of it for today, and the new setup for IQ option. The IQ option also have a quiz. To use a quiz, you just press the IQ button in the IQ option platform. When you just sign up, you will get a briefing telling you about how the quiz is gonna play and all those other stuff. Somebody will brief you on that. That's IQ option for me for today, and see you next day.